scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Perfect competition versus imperfect competition seems tricky, but here's the breakdown. One market sells identical products, the other differentiated ones, and that difference decides. In a perfectly competitive market, firms sell identical products, so no single seller stands out, and each firm takes the market price instead of shaping demand with a unique version. In contrast, imperfectly competitive firms usually sell differentiated products, meaning their goods are not exact copies, so branding, features, or variety give them some control over demand. That makes D the match because it correctly contrasts identical products in perfect competition with differentiated products in imperfect competition, while the other statements swap. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Avoid rushing past keywords. Trust what is given and check each contrast before choosing.